Colby Horstmann with Christian Brothers Roofing here. I am on a roof that was installed about 2 years ago, and they are having leaking just about everywhere on this roof, and I'm going to show you why. So looking first here at this sidewall, you can see this step flashing is installed over the top of the siding, so water can go right behind there. We see all sorts of rot. Then we'll go over to this chimney here. So it's a stone chimney, very irregular shaped. They used a regular tin flashing on it and tried to caulk the issue. So they have leaks coming in, and on this side they actually did not install a flashing, they just caulked the shingles. Then we're going to go over here to the front side, and what we see here first is this little solar panel is screwed directly through the shingles, so water will just go right in around those screw holes. And when we take a closer look, we can see that there is a back slope along this bottom edge here, and that's because they did not tab this drip edge out around those gutter hangers, and it's just sitting on top. So who do you know that needs it done right the first time? Call Christian Brothers.